today. There's a little briskness in the air, my friends, and it's time to get ready for autumn. The leaves are changing colors. It's incredible. There's so much beauty outside. And, everything is better with pumpkins right now, right? You mention anything with the word pumpkin, and I'm all about it. Pumpkin spice this, pumpkin spice that. You got it. I want it all. So, um, let's see. Just a couple more things. Oh, there we go. Sorry. I was doing something weird with my screen. Um, yeah, Barb says, I'm sure she wanted them to be used. At least that's how my grandma viewed it. Definitely. So he shouldn't feel so bad for using it the way he did. But what an honor and what a treasure to have that. Claudia said, oh my, I cried. Awesome. I will look at quilts a lot different. Oh, so true. Okay, so fall. I'm going to show you kind of a quirky little how-to today. Many of you have probably done something like this before. If you haven't, then it might be something new. If you've seen it before, then it might be a fun reminder to you. So when I was thinking about, I've done lots of stuffed pumpkins over the years. I've done patchwork pumpkins. I have done where you take an old quilt block and make it into a pumpkin. Uh, Lots of different ways of doing pumpkins. But today, I thought, it's quite fitting with toilet paper being such a hot commodity right now. In fact, Jenny and I were laughing earlier, and she said, this is the project that, because toilet paper is such in demand, that you can actually hide it and disguise it. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, here we go. We're going to do a toilet paper pumpkin. Like I said, I bet a lot of you have seen this, but in case you haven't, I'm going to show you my quick little tutorial on how these are done. So these are super cute. If you were to put, a bunch of them in a basket on a table, wherever it might be, no one would know that there was actually toilet paper underneath there, right? And then in case of an emergency, you've got a backup plan, right? So I thought I would share with you today how it's done. Super simple. What you need is a toilet paper roll. And I'm going to go ahead and move my screen down here. Oh, look who's there in the background. He was like, no, Mom, I am not going to be shown on camera. Okay, so what you're going to do, yeah, Janet says, I've even embroidered on toilet paper. I have as well. And what's really funny is when you embroider on toilet paper, has anyone ever asked you, like, how in the world did you fit that under the needle? That's what I always kind of laugh at, is how did you fit that under the needle? Well, you don't. But here we go. So this would be a fun project to do with the kids even. How easy will this be? And you just need some fat quarters. So what I like to do is I actually like to unwrap a few unwrappings, and then I will wrap it up again, now going the opposite way. Let's see. So that it serves as your stuffing. So kind of like your stuffing. So you're just going to loosely roll it back up. So undo a few and then loosely roll it back up so that there's just a little bit more bulk there. Now you could also add batting. I've seen people do that. But this is real easy. Look, it's as simple as that, right? Then you're going to take a fat quarter. And a fat quarter is normally 18 by 22 inches. You're going to cut it to be square. So this is 18 by 18 inches square. And I'm going to place it right down here on my table. Place my toilet paper right in the center. And now from each of the four corners, I'll come in and stuff this inside. Okay. And when I do, I kind of pull this over and bring this up. That way everything gets tucked in. Look, it doesn't get any easier. Look how easy that was. Okay, I don't want that raw edge showing there. There we go. Okay, so that's that. Then what you'll do is take a piece of felt. I've also seen where people will actually take a stick, you know, like a branch from outside and stick it in, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this felt. This is a 2.5 inch by, I don't know, 12 inch approximately, and I'm just gonna roll it up. So this is gonna become my stem. And then I'll take just about a 2 inch strip of a green, and they're raw edges here, and just tie it around. And it says gift for neighbors for Halloween. It's a great idea. They're just so simple to make. You literally can get it done in about 2 minutes flat. There we go. Ta-da! Now you add this and you're done. It's that easy. What do you guys think? Yep, you could definitely use a cinnamon stick. That would be fun. It would smell nice. I like that idea. Marilyn, very cute. Yep, Debbie's used cinnamon sticks as well. It doesn't get any simpler, you guys. It is so easy to do. Yep, Betty Jo likes to add batting to hers. You could definitely do that. So here we go. There's a couple of them. You could have a whole stack of them in a cute basket. Wouldn't that be fun? So really easy to do, simple as can be. And just for kicks and giggles, because it was so easy, and some of you may be just joining us, let me show you again real quick how I do it. I first unroll a few, just a few times around. Then I'm going to go back on top of itself to make it bulky. This is what I do instead of the batting. I just kind of loosely, roll this around. So it's nice and loose, but goes back around. I don't have to go and get batting, but you could if you wanted to. You're going to take a fat quarter, cut it to be 18 by 18, take each of the corners, pull it in and over, pull it in and over, pull it in and over. Okay, that's it. Roll up your felt piece. You could use a branch from outside. You could use cinnamon sticks, someone said. I've seen where someone's used a candle before. And then a piece of fabric, just a strip of fabric, and that's it. I mean, it's just as simple as can be. So there you go. That is our little how-to today. Aren't those cute?